Welcome. I'm Cassidy Cash. This is That Shakespeare Life, and it's time for Weird Word Wednesday. This week, our word is Mahu, which appears in King Lear, Act 3, Scene 4, when Edgar, disguised as poor Tom, says, "The Prince of Darkness is a gentleman. Modo, he's called, and Mahu." In this scene, Edgar is pretending to be possessed, and he names Mahu and Modo, two demons taken from contemporary English demonology and rogue cant. Mahu was believed to be the devil of theft, and Modo was the devil of murder, part of a demonic crew that's sometimes invoked by beggars pretending to be mad or cursed. The names added flavor to poor Tom's raving madness and drew on early modern beliefs about the supernatural and about sin. We have a couple of podcast episodes that explores things like rogue cant, which was a whole dialect unto itself when Shakespeare was living, and you can check that out in the show notes below this episode. But that's it for this week. Now you have one more word you can add to your Shakespeare vocabulary and be just a little bit smarter. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.